All right, y'all, so welcome to another Yard Mastery video. Today I'm mainly talking to folks through the transition zone in north, cool season lawns, but warm season folks, you could still pick up a few things here and there as well. But as things are starting to warm up, we're actually in a cold spell right now. It's like 11 degrees in Chicago right now as I speak. But through the transition zone, it's kind of warm and it's warming up as we go. You're going to start getting recommendations for pre-emergent for Prodiamine as well as Flagship. We'll talk first about Prodiamine because a lot of y'all, you have applied this already, especially again down through the transition zone, and then it got super cold and you're wondering if that hurts it or anything, and it doesn't. Cold temperatures do not affect this. If you applied it and watered it in and it went down to 5, 6, 2 degrees, it doesn't matter. None of that will affect it. Just pick up, the course will just kind of pick up as things move on. In case you need a refresher, we like to apply Prodiamine pre-emergent, and this is mainly going to stop crabgrass as well as a couple other things. But we like to get this down as soil temperatures cross 50 heading to 55, and then we do a second application. It's called a split application. We do a second one as soil temperatures cross 65 heading to 70. If you want to know what the soil temperatures are in your exact lawn, download the Yard Mastery app and it'll give you the soil temperatures right in your pocket, as well as it'll tell you exactly when to put all the stuff down. So that's what's going to start happening with cool season, is that pre-emergent. Now, right along at pretty much, in fact, exactly the same time, same day that you apply your pre-emergent, you're going to get a recommendation for Flagship. This is a fertilizer. It's a 2406, 24% nitrogen, of which half of that nitrogen is slow release. We want to get that down at the exact same time we put the pre-emergent down. You don't mix them in the hopper together. It's two separate applications. Same day is good though. Water it all in together. There's some question there because a lot of times your lawn will still be brown and dormant when you apply this, and people want to know if you can. The answer is yes. In the spring with a cool season lawn, when it's going to be green in just a couple 2-3 weeks because it's getting warm, this is going to jumpstart it. So it's plenty fine to put this on a dormant cool season lawn, knowing that we're going to be heading right into that growth period, and that's the ideal. We want to jumpstart the growth. We want to get as much green growth as we can so that grass can absorb as much sunlight as it can before you get to the summer, as well as also put in as many roots as it can before you get to the summer. And so that's where you're also going to have Bio-Stimulants riding along. You're always going to have RGS, root growth stimulant. This has humic and fulvic, but it also has sea kelp, and sea kelp is what pushes all those roots, and that's going to help your lawn going into summer. And then alternating in the spring, you'll get recommended as well humic 12 or aerate. Aerate liquid aeration, great for the spring, will not affect your pre-emergent barrier like a mechanical aeration will, but it'll still dive down and create space. And then humic 12, humic and fulvic, this is what's going to make the soil healthy. So those biostimulants are going to come right along with this. Do I want to do it all in one day? You could. These two for sure in one day, water them in. But these I would put a little before, a little after, a little bit later. Spread these out. I did a full video that shows you how to mix these together in an empty hose and sprayer, and we'll link that to you there. So that's all the kind of questions coming up right now. This is what's going to get your lawn jump started, get it going, get it moving, protect against crabgrass, and get it greener than everyone else's. With that, I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. I want to thank you for supporting Yard Mastery, an American small business, and I'll see you in the lawn.